Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please subscribe to this channel. And if you would, help me out and share these videos out. Y'all, we're going to do a giveaway today. I'm going to tell you all about the giveaway at the end of this video, but it is today and it will be for $50. I asked the question the other day. I'll let people decide, did they want cash or a prize? And most people said cash. So it's going to be $50. I know, y'all, I gave $100 last time. I can't give $100 every time. I will have some more $100 prizes in the future, though. And also the physical prizes, other than money, they're going to be pretty good too. So I'm going to have those periodically. But today's prize is going to be $50, and I'll tell you all about it at the end of this video. Y'all, Larry Kudlow is blowing more hot air. And at the same time, he's not really answering any questions. He's pacifying the person that asks the questions. He's not really answering anything. Y'all, I have come to realize, and other people have said it too, his one and only job is to make the stock market look good and talk about the V-shaped recovery. Y'all, there is no recovery, and we're going to get into that in just a few minutes. And for the stock market, I don't have enough money to worry about the stock market. The stock market is for rich people to play in. I can't play in that sandbox. I'm sorry. So, to me, talking about the stock market, people talking to me about the stock market, me listening to the stock market is a waste of my time. I don't have that kind of money. To me, the stock market is just like going to the casino. It's a crapshoot, and I am not going to do that. And the housing market, they're talking about the housing market is going to crash. I'm not investing in no property. Why do I care? Takes all I can do to pay for the house that I'm in right now. The stock market and real estate is for rich people. I'm not rich by no long shot. Okay, on the V-shaped recovery that Larry Kudlow keeps talking about. Y'all, the other day when the jobs report came out, 8 million Americans is now at or below poverty level since May. This is just since May. Not to mention all the people that was already at poverty level. The unemployment claims was at 898,000. This number indicates the recovery is slowing down. That number is up 50,000 from last week. So that V-shaped recovery is a forest. Larry Kudlow likes to talk about that V-shaped recovery to bolster the stock market. When people can't pay their rent, they can't make their car note, they can't put food on the table, tell them that we're in a recovery, that we've got a good V-shaped recovery going on. Tell them that. I just don't see it. Okay, as we know, Mnuchin is out of the country right now. But today's technology, he still has his laptop, he still has his phone. So it don't matter where he's at in the world, he can still talk to crazy Nancy. And Crazy Nancy says that her and Steve Mnuchin continues to talk on the phone, and it's always very productive. How many times have y'all heard very productive? Y'all, people may say I'm wasting time here by asking this question again. This is like the third time I've asked it. This makes sense to me, and I wish they would do it. But of course, I'm not as bright as they are. I guess they know what they're doing. Yeah, right. My question is, why can't they all talk at the same time? Get them all in a room together. Get Larry Kudlow, Steve Mnuchin, Mark Meadows, the Mooch Man, Nancy Pelosi, and President Trump. Put them all in a room together. Sit them at a big round table. Tell them to get it done. Don't come out of the room until it's done. Get a stimulus package done. Then leave the room, lock the door behind you, and put armed guards at the door. Don't give them food or water until they come up with a plan. I bet the plan would be reached really fast. Tell them for every day that they don't have a plan, they lose a month's pay. Now, of course, President Trump wouldn't care because he don't get paid anyway, but the rest of them would, and Trump will sign on anything right now. I'm just a common person, and that's how I'm thinking. Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi did talk for an hour and a half the other day on the phone, and they say they do talk every day. Then can you tell me why the hell ain't nothing done yet? Trump said the other day that he is ready to sign a big, beautiful stimulus bill. The only thing is Nancy Pelosi is standing in the way. He goes on to say that if Nancy agrees to a stimulus package, the Republicans will go along with it. I don't think that's the truth. I don't see that happening. The Mooch Man said the other day that he would be introducing a new skinny package. Well, he's done that. He's introduced it, but it's going to be dead in the water. Nothing has happened with it yet. Nothing happened with that stimulus, that skinny bill that he proposed a month, 2 months ago. I forgot how long it's been. Nothing happened to it then, and this is the same identical skinny bill. Come on. Why would something happen with it now? The only thing is it's going to drown. It's dead in the water. President Trump blames Nancy Pelosi for holding up the stimulus process. I blame every one of them. All the key players are at fault, and even some of the players that's in the Senate and in the House that are not key players, they are at fault. Because if you stand back and let something happen, you're just as much fault as they are. And if we don't vote them out of office, it's our fault too. Nancy Pelosi told Steve Mnuchin that the Mooch Man don't seem like he wants to pass a bigger stimulus plan like Donald Trump wants. Steve Mnuchin told her that Donald Trump will work on him. They have been putting the illusion out all these months that they're all working on each other. Then why ain't anything getting done? It just don't make sense to me. Okay, y'all, I want to tell y'all, if you didn't see it last night, I've got a new show, and it's going to be every night at 10 p.m. I hope you'll watch it. The name of the show is Late Night with Walter Weyburn. We're going to be talking about stimulus. We're going to be talking about how the government is screwing everyone. We're going to be talking about my life, my past, all the secrets that people think I'm keeping. I'm an open book. I don't keep secrets. Stuff that I would rather tell you myself than you find out from other ways. So I want to reveal a lot of stuff. We're also going to be talking about stuff that's happening around the world, in my neighborhood, things that I'm doing right now, and that kind of stuff. We're going to be talking about a variety of things, and we're going to keep it lighthearted. It's going to be fun. It's going to be really laid back. I will not wear a collared shirt like I wear in all of my videos. I'm going to be wearing t-shirts, and I'm going to have my beverage with me. Of course, you know I do not drink alcohol at all, so when you see me drinking a beverage, whatever it looks like, I guarantee you it's lemonade, tea, or water, maybe even a cup of coffee. Y'all, please check that out. It's every night at 10 o'clock. Let me know what you think about it. Ask your questions. I'm going to really pay close attention to the questions in that video, and I'm going to answer all the ones that I can. All depends on how popular it gets. If it gets really popular, I won't be able to answer all of them, but I will answer the ones that I can. And y'all tell me what you want to talk about there. Tell me what you're thinking, and we'll talk about it. Ask me questions. I'll answer them on the next Late Night with Walter show. Okay, now, what you've been waiting for. The giveaway is for $50. I want y'all to comment on this video here what you've done to entertain yourself or your family this past week. Now, I know with today's situation you don't have a lot of money to entertain, but just let me know what you're doing in your life, how you're making your days worthwhile, that kind of stuff. Let me know what you're doing, and I will pick out the comment that I like the best. Now, that don't mean one is more important than the other one, of course, but the one that falls more in line with what I would be doing, that's the one that I will pick. And I will let you know the winner of that $50 on tomorrow morning's 6 a.m. video. And the same as before, you're going to have to send me your PayPal address or either your physical address, and I will send you a check. If you don't have the PayPal account, I will send you a paper check. PayPal is much easier and you get it like instantly. But if you don't have one, you just have to wait for the slow mail to get to you. Y'all, these contests are just for subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe now. It's the only way you can win. And just know I love you all. Come back at 12 o'clock today. We'll have another video. And please come back at 10 o'clock tonight and watch Late Night with Walter Weyburn. I love you all, and we will get out of this with the grace of Jesus Christ. And just know I love you all. Please subscribe to this channel so you can have a chance on winning these prizes. We do the prize giveaway every Sunday. And if you're not subscribed, you can't win. I love you all. Until 12 o'clock. Ciao.